Welcome to our newest listing at 7 Falling Leaf Drive in Londonderry, New Hampshire. This beautiful detached condominium home is located in Cross Farm, a premier subdivision in southern New Hampshire, conveniently located off exit 4 and down 102 on the Londonderry-Hudson line. So let's go through and take a peek. This model, the Birch Deluxe, has over 1,800 square feet of living space. This better-than-new home is a 2-bedroom with a den, 2-bathroom unit on a private premium lot. The kitchen includes gas range, quartz countertops, microwave, tile backsplash, and under-cabinet lighting. The open concept layout is inviting and just perfect for entertaining. The primary suite has ample sunlight, a walk-in closet, and spacious bathroom, with double vanities and a walk-in tiled shower. The second bedroom is located in the front of the home, and the third room is perfect for a den or an office space. Finishing out the first floor is a half bathroom. This home offers so many additional bells and whistles, such as custom blinds, recessed lights, gas fireplace, and more. And enjoy all the benefits that Cross Farm has to offer, including the clubhouse that has a workout space, tennis courts, and so much more.